Ukrainian army is advancing and consolidating on two fronts. The Ukrainian Defense Forces continue to advance on the Melitopol and Berdyansk fronts, and they are strengthening their positions in new locations. No positions have been lost where the Ukrainian armed forces are defending. General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported it. Offensive actions continue on the Melitopol and Berdyansk fronts, namely in the areas of Novodarivka, Priutny, Makarivka, Rivnopil, and Novodanilivka. Robotyne, the Ukrainian military had partial success. They are entrenching themselves in the achieved positions. The enemy concentrated its main efforts on defending and preventing the advance of our troops, using reserves and trying to restore the lost ground. Andriy Kovalev, spokesman for the General Staff of Ukraine's armed forces, said the General Staff noted that the Russians continue to focus their main efforts on the Lyman, Bakhmut, Avdiivka and Marinka fronts. Heavy fighting continues there. The General Staff has reported that the Russian occupation forces are engaging in the looting of Ukrainian civilians in the temporarily occupied territory of Ukraine, which suffered flooding due to the deliberate destruction of the Kharkovka hydroelectric power plant by Russian forces. In particular, at the checkpoints leading to Oleshki, the invaders are confiscating humanitarian aid meant for the affected population.